now again. My future needed clarity, so I could see how you react, how you'd react to me.
Nice and chilly outside. Why not go for a freaking ride in the Chile weather? I think that Subaru was trying to race me. I'm not sure, but I won. Either way, I won.
Alrighty then.
Okay, neutral. There we go. Oh. Why is this Subaru riding my ass so hard? Gotta watch the deer on this road. Unfortunately, I don't have it on film, but I was leaving work one night and I was like, oh, you know, I'll cruise one of my favorite roads. And I left later than I usually do, so, you know, around where deer come out, it was like 4 or 5 or 6 or something. And I think it was this corner up here. You know, there's no one in front of me, so I'm cruising, I'm all leaning and hitting the corners. And I'm flying around this corner, and as I come around the other side, there's a deer dead center in the middle of the road, and I'm coming out of this corner at like 80 miles an hour easily, and I was like, oh, I'm totally not prepared for this, you know, this deer in the way, and you know, it was kind of screwed. I tried to slow down, but you know, just my reaction time, you know, I was going so fast. It's this corner, yeah, so I'm coming around, and it's about right here, and like I said, it sucks I don't have it on film, but I came around the corner and I had to make a decision, and I went to the right side and just barely missed him as he ran off. But I mean, if he had gone the other way, I would have hit him right in the center, and you know, that would have been game over for me probably. We got some guys. Get out of here, you little son of a bitches! God! Get out of the fucking road! Ooh, boy! We got some goddamn teddy bears in the road. Oh, geez, what the hell's that? You know what we're going to do is we're going to turn around here and we're going to get that bag of leaves. Come on, neutral, please, thank you. Oh. Let's get these motherfuckers off the road. Yeah, jeez. Damn! Why don't you slow down? Alright, don't hit me. I'm trying to help out here. Trying to get these goddamn leaves out the road. My visor makes it look so much more dark outside since it's a tinted visor. I guess I could have brought the clear visor, but you know, then you just don't look as cool. So you know, who wants to you know, be able to see versus looking cool? What's better? I think we all know that's looking cool. How do I think up these good ideas? Nathan, I'll see you soon. You punk ass. They're probably not even home, but we'll see. No, they are. Can you have lightning and snow at the same time? Because we're about to. I gotta get home. That looks like absolute death, and I don't want any part of it. I don't want any of it. We just entered the freeway at about 40 miles an hour, so that's impressive.